most students still get simultaneous equation wrong when the coefficients are greater than 1. In this tutorial, I will show you simple step-by-step elimination method to solve them correctly every time. So this is what interests you. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Solve the simultaneous equation 5x minus 2y is equals to 11 and 4x minus 3y is equals to 6. So if you are given equation like this to solve, the first thing you have to look at is to check the coefficient of the letters. The coefficient of the letters. If you look at this now, you see that the coefficients are more than 1. So in that case, the approach to use here is to apply an elimination method to quickly solve this kind of equation. So if the coefficients are greater than 1, the simplest way to solve this kind of simultaneous equation is to use elimination method, which we are going to be using right now. So you are given pairs of equation 5x minus 2y is equals to 11. That is equation 1. 4x minus 3y is equals to 6. This is equation 2. So we are going to be using elimination method in which one letter will be get rid of and making the coefficient in both our equation to be the same. So in this case now, we are going to times equation 2, equation 1 by 3, equation 2 by 2. So we want to eliminate this y. So we are going to make the coefficient to be the same in both sides. So 3 times 5, that is 15. 50s minus 6, 3 times 2, that is 6y, is equals to 3 times 11, that is 33. This one is equation 3. So 2 times 4, that is 8. 8x, 2 times 3, that is 6. 6y, 2 times 6, that is 12. Equation 4. So now we have made the coefficient in both equation to be the same. So we want to get rid of this y. So what we need to do is to minus this 3 equation 3 from equation 4. So to do that, we are going to 50x minus 6y minus 8x minus 6y is equals to 33 minus 12. 33 minus 12. So we want to subtract equation 3 from equation 4 to get rid of this letter y. So in order to do that, we have you open the bracket, that is 15x minus 6y, then minus times this, minus times 8x, that is minus 8x, minus times minus 6y, that is plus 6y, is equals to 33 minus 12. 33 minus 12 will give us 21. So we have, are you following? So we have 15 x minus 6y minus 8x plus 6y is equal to 21. So we have 15x minus 8x minus 6y plus 6y is equal to 21. So this one will give us 15x minus 8x will give us 7x. Then this one will give us 0 minus 6y plus 6y plus 6y will give us 0. So we have this one to be 0. So it's equal to 21. So this is what we want to find, this x. So you divide both sides by 7. So you have 7x divided by 7 is equal to 21 divided by 7. This one cancel this. This one cancel this. You have 3. So x is equal to 3. S is equal to 3. So we have eliminated y to get x. So we want to look for y now. Are you following? We want to look for y. We have gotten our x to be 3. So in order to do that, we are going to pick equation 1. Let's pick equation 1 to get our y. We use equation 1. We use equation 1 to find y. We use equation 1. Equation 1 is 5x minus 2y is equal to 11. So here we have gotten our x. So y is what we want to get. So wherever you see x here, you put 3 there. So in this case now, we are going to have 5 times 3. Our x is 3 minus 2y is equal to 11. So you have 15. 5 times 3, that is 15, minus 2y is equal to 11. Are you following? So y is what we want to get. So you have minus 2y is equal to 11 minus 15. When you cross the equal sign, the positive sign will turn to negative. So you have minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. 11 minus 15, that is minus 4. So you divide both sides by minus 2. Divide both sides by minus 2. So you have minus 2y is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 2 divided by minus 2. So cancel this, cancel this. So this cancel this, this cancel this. You have 2. So our y is equal to 2. So these are the answer. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So these are the answer. These are the answer. These are the answer for this particular question. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you still have any question, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. And my name still remains Olusegun Abuwoke. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.